Hello guys and welcome to my vlog. We are having an Umrah trip and I was packing my stuff. I decided to get this white suitcase I've always wanted, and I started packing my stuff. I was so happy. Like, can you imagine I'm going for Umrah, the whole me. Talk about when your prayers are getting answered. So I was making sure that I got all the best abayas inside here. You know, I deal in abayas, right? So I packed everything up, and then I decided to take my mini Quran, both English and Arabic. I packed it inside. I always go everywhere with this white bag because it contains all my prayer kits, the smaller ones. Gosh, I just didn't know how to explain this feeling. Like, your girl is going for Umrah. Yeah, that's me. And the passport. How can I forget my passport? I was done, and then I closed everything. I locked it. I gave it a password. But guess what? I tried opening it the next day. I couldn't. So I called my roommate to open it for me. And here it was. I had to repack everything into this particular suitcase. Imagine the stress. I didn't forget the key combination. I just didn't know why it couldn't open. I had to use this bigger one, but I'm grateful that I used the bigger one instead because I had a whole lot of stuff to pack. Yes, so it was so stressful. So I started transferring everything from the medium-sized bag to the big one, and it was taking some time. I just can't wrap my head around it. What if I hadn't checked? But then I was done, and I decided to go downstairs and get my Uber. I was on my way. I actually went to the train station to take the train to the spots, to the bus station. And for record, I'm going with a bus. Yeah, not flight. And this is the location. Boom, I was just here waiting for the bus. Like, a whole lot of emotions were running through me. This is me seated in the bus, about to embark on the journey, and it's like I just didn't know what to expect because I'm on a bus going to a different country. Actually, I've never gone to a different country with a bus before. It's always a flight. When I'm using a bus, it is within country. Yeah, so I had my iftar. It was during Ramadan. Imagine Umrah in Ramadan. And we stopped. I had to pray. So the bus stops for us to pray before continuing the journey. And we finally got real food. You know, the other one was just snacks. So this is real iftar. Can you imagine? Over the night, we were still on the road. And I just didn't know what to expect. We finally got to the border. At the border, it took us a lot of time. Trust me when I say a lot of time. We always had to get down off the bus, go for checks, get back into the bus. So we were finally here in Riyadh, but we were still continuing the journey. My first stop was at Madinah, supposed to be at Madinah. So I was just happy that we crossed the border. I was able to cross the border, and I was now in Saudi Arabia. Yup. So this is it. We finally got to Madinah. I'm just so happy about the whole trip. This is Madinah. We got down straight up to Masjid Haram.